guys, it's Justin from the J Media and I'm back with another video. So I know you guys have been waiting patiently for the turbo build. As you know, parts aren't cheap, they don't fall from the sky. So pretty much over time I've accumulated more parts to do a little unboxing. I believe this should be more or less what I need. Previously, you guys might have seen a couple other videos where I kind of unbox a few other boxes. In my most recent box over here, we have like a transmission cooler, transmission fans, manual boost controller. We have, let's see, heat wrap, boost gauge, air fuel ratio gauge, so a bunch of stuff. I'll be sure to go ahead and do it in a separate video and lay out every single thing I've got so far for the turbo build. But like I said, I've been accumulating parts here for a while. So I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 boxes here, so pretty excited. I know most items, I kind of know what most items are, but I'm sure there's a couple of surprises out here. So I've been stockpiling these parts here for, I want to say, maybe the last 2 months. I haven't opened anything. I decided it's more fun to open up all these boxes at once. So let's go ahead and get to opening them. Alright, and please ignore the mess over here. More parts that I have. So let's see here. Let me go ahead and start with this guy right here. It's pretty heavy, made in the USA. So let's go ahead and open it here and see what's in here. So finally got to opening the first box over here. Funny how the persons who sent it wrapped it in. If you guys don't know what this is, let me go ahead and take it off to show you guys. So this is actually an OEM part of an Evo 10. So it's not a requirement, but I decided even on an any Lancer build you can put it on. This is the Evo 10 cams. So the camshafts, OEM Evo 10 cams. So pretty much over here, from what I heard other Lancer owners saying, like I said, you could be NA and still put them in, and with a tune you could make about 20 wheel horsepower extra. So don't quote me on that, check your tuner. But yeah, these things should drop right in. I'm trying to, you know, I'm not trying to go for crazy big power, but I'm trying to see what I can squeeze out. Since I'm ready to go ahead and do the turbo build, might as well get a few little extra stuff as well, just to spice it up a little bit. Next up, let's see what we can open next. You want to pick something for me to open next? Which box?
That long brown one, the one by...
This one?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's an exciting one. I think I know what's in here. Let's go ahead and open this one next. Alright, so first thing when I open it, stickers from Hks Titanium. You guys might be already able to guess what I got here. Let's see. So that's my order sheet. Some couplings. More rubber couplings. Ooh, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and show you guys. More rubber couplings, so awesome. They provided me with all the hardware. And then we also have, okay, all the clamps and stuff here. Awesome stuff. So pretty much everything I need. So let me go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what's in here. So I just went ahead and unboxed this. Like I said, they provided all these rubber couplings from Hks Titanium, as well as all these hardware. And this is what it is: titanium lower intercooler piping. So I already have titanium upper intercooler piping, and all these are done in-house. Really good wells. You can choose how you want it. I wanted the color over here over by the bends. So really nice, high quality wells over here, made in the USA. Just appreciate that. Ooh, looking good. Alright, let me go ahead and do this one next and see what's in here. So over here you kind of see some AN fittings. So all these are going to be my custom oil lines for the turbo build. So a guy by the name of Jonathan Bass, he's pretty OG, has a turbo Lancer as well. He's making these custom oil lines. Of course I could piece this together myself, but you know, since he knew exactly what lines to get, this made my life a lot easier. So big shout out to Jonathan Bass again for the custom oil lines. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do another box. Let's do this one, see what's in here. I know what this is. So over here, this is the carbon fiber gauge pod. So I decided for my gauge pod, I wanted the 3 gauge pod. I have, well, I'll be unboxing it here in a bit, but I have an air fuel ratio gauge, a boost gauge, and I think the oil temp gauge. So yeah, I'm gonna have it Subaru style mounted right in the middle. So pretty cool. Next up, I'm gonna do one more small item. So I'm gonna do this guy right here. And next item I have over here is my Hks Off Valve. So you can get it in silver or black. I decided to go with the black. Again, we'll have to see how we can get this installed, and we're gonna have to get it recirculating. I would prefer to release the atmosphere, but apparently for the turbo lancer setup, it's better to get it recirculating. So also come with this little instruction guide over here. So awesome. Alright, I'm gonna open this thing here. I'm not sure what this is. Really small package. It says it came from Thailand. I don't recall ordering anything from there, so let me go ahead and open this up. So yeah, this is what came in. Super random. But yeah, a while back I ordered these. Basically, my sister's birthday, I wanted to get her a bunch of llama stuff because we had an ongoing llama joke. And yeah, this just came in the mail, so not car parts related, but let's put that aside and get to the next box. Alright, so let's see this one. Let me go for this box here. By the size of these boxes, they look like gauges, but I do already have my boost gauge as well as my FU ratio gauge here, so let's see what this is. So for the Evo 10 stuff, besides getting these Evo 10 cams, I also got another OEM Evo 10 part, which is in here. So this is an OEM Evo 10 throttle body of an Evo 10 GSR. So these throttle bodies are bigger. You could definitely reuse your stock Evo 10 your stock Lancer throttle body, but since this one's bigger, I heard some other Lancer guys go with the 4G69 throttle body. But yeah, you could do that, and then I know what's in here, so I'm gonna unbox that next. But basically, to fit that, apparently I need this too, so that's why I had to order it. So let me go ahead and unbox this guy right here. And the next thing that came in that box was this. So another OEM Evo 10 part. Again, you don't have to change this out on your Turbo Lancer build, but this is the OEM Evo 10 intake manifold. So again, I was saying over there we have the throttle body. I needed the bigger throttle body because apparently without the bigger throttle body you can't fit this on. So yeah, intake manifold, I decided a metal intake manifold is much better than, you know, having the stock Lancer one, which is a plastic looking one. Two more boxes left. Let me go for this one. See what's in this box. In the box we have another gauge over here by AEM. So in my car I currently have 3 Defy gauges already, but I decided for these 3 gauges I'm gonna go with the same brand. So we have the AEM boost gauge, AEM FU ratio gauge, and this one is the last one. This is the oil temperature gauge. So here's a better view. AEM oil temperature gauge. Like I said, the size I believe is I'll have to look at it. I think it's a 52mm. It should fit right snuck in here. Final box over here, huge box. I already know what's in here because of the packaging. If you guys don't know, well, if you guys know, pause, comment in the comment section below. What is it? Just by looking at the brand Coil Red, some of you guys might already know. Let's get to unboxing this bad boy. And here we have the Coil Red radiator. So pretty much, if you guys know Coil Red, they make one of the best radiators in the game. Great, awesome JDM brand. Little Coil Red sticker as well as instruction manual over here. So my radiator works just fine, and again, this is not necessary when you put on the turbo build, but since I'm going to be replacing a couple stuff, I decided I wanted to go ahead and replace it. The stock Lancer radiator is just plastic. You see plastic everywhere. I really like the whole polished aluminum look over here. Looks great. It's gonna cool the car down so much better as well, the extra boost. So this is where I truly believe, you know, besides just pushing for more power boosting the car, I want to have the supporting mods to be able to support it as well. So pretty much the 10 boxes, here's everything. I'm going to do a little recap of what I have here. So here's everything in the last 10 boxes that I unboxed. So starting over here, this is the OEM Evo 10 intake manifold. So I'll probably get to cleaning this down as well. Like I said, again, not necessary, it's not a must for a turbo build, but I prefer this metal compared to the plastic one. I might get this painted as well, so we'll see. And then beside it we have the gauge cluster. So I'm gonna be having my boost gauge, air fuel ratio as well as oil temp gauge in this little nice carbon fiber gauge pot. And then over here we have the AEM oil temp gauge. And then to the left of it, I have these beautiful titanium pipes. So these are the lower intercooler piping from RK Titanium. And then, like I said, they provided all the hardware here as well. I have Hks blow-off valve. So it's going to be the recirculating blow-off valve. This is what I'll be needing. And then over here I have the custom oil lines from Jonathan Base. The OEM Evo 10 throttle body. OEM Evo 10 cams. And the coil rad radiator. So if you guys stay to the very end, I'm about saying thank you so much for watching. So like I said, I have a bunch of parts over here laying everywhere for the turbo build. In a separate video, I'll be listing every single thing I got for the build. So I've actually done a couple unboxings now. So if you guys haven't already seen some of these videos, what I'll do is I'll be doing a step-by-step process documenting as much of my turbo lancer build as much as possible. So I'll put in a separate playlist on the channel so that you guys could always click on the playlist. I'll probably name it How to Turbo Lancer or something like that, or Turbo Lancer build, just so you guys can watch from the beginning what parts I got. I'll be boosting it with the Ralliart turbo setup. So like I said, a bunch of stuff. I have the OEM Ralliart intercooler there. I'm actually selling that. If anybody is interested, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. I have a separate intercooler, a bigger front mount intercooler. So yeah, I'll be going through. I'm going to be laying everything that I got for the turbo build. Like I said, I believe I pretty much have everything. Small little stuff here and there like bolts, gaskets, small stuff like that. But what I'll be doing, since I pretty much have everything, I'm going to be contacting my tuner. So I decided I'm going to be working with Hiram Tuning. He's a really famous tuner in Puerto Rico. So he's tuned a bunch of turbo lancers as well. With the whole coronavirus thing going on, I'm not sure how long it's going to last, or if there's going to be a travel ban. He does installs as well, so fingers crossed, hopefully he can fly down from Puerto Rico down here to get it installed. Otherwise I might have to get a local shop here to install it first and then get him to tune remotely. So again, if you guys stayed to the end, don't forget to leave a fat thumbs up. I know you guys are excited for the turbo build as much as I am. I know it's been taking a couple months just because I've been collecting parts, and like I said, parts aren't cheap, they don't fall from the sky. So I need to overtime slowly buy these parts. So make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification bell if you want to know when new videos are out. I'll catch you guys in the next video.